Welcome back people. To all those new viewers, this is a quirky automotive channel. The only thing we love to do is have fun and discuss all the irregular features of a car. So, while most of the world was busy in launching a new COVID variant of their own, #COVID 2.0, this was not the only new variant. Jeep has launched the updated new 2021 Compass. Hit that subscribe button if you are a petrolhead that likes having fun. Now, let's take a look at all the quirky features. Number 9. Dashboard. Nothing much happening here. The new dashboard looks too bland. Just a bunch of lines. I understand the minimalistic approach, but some sort of character would have been nice. However, looks are subjective, but I feel there is a thin line between under-designed and minimalistic. Number 8. Cool mobile app. Jeep has now said that like many premium cars, you will have an app via which you can control multiple features and take a look at your vehicle status. It also has an option to track your vehicle. Number 7. The cool dude from USA talking about Jeep's history. This cool looking guy from Jeep USA tells us how the new Jeep Compass has the DNA of its old forefathers and goes on for 35 long minutes. However, to summarize, the company means to tell that their cars are still very robust and well built that also have good off-roading capabilities. Number 6. 60 plus safety and security features. Now, this might sound weird, but I honestly believe it is the work of somebody who passed the exams by just filling pages with different names for the same thing. To be honest, the new Jeep has enormous different brake-related safety features, and here are some. Panic brake assist, rain brake support, ready alert braking, brake lock differential, anti-lock braking system, and much more. To be honest, they all mostly use the same hardware. It all lies in the software controlling it. But yeah, the car is a lot more safer.
Please whatever.
Number 5. Auto hold. We all know what auto hold is, but Jeep says they have this feature and they very specifically use a very sophisticated word called driver foot fatigue. So there it is. The fancy feature is present to reduce the driver foot fatigue of the precious customer. But it is a very useful feature and I love it. Number 4. Front camera and 360 camera. There was once a time where auto manufacturers went to great lengths and had to be so damn creative to conceal all the ugly bits and pieces, but it looks like no one is trying anymore. For example, in this Genesis GV70, the manufacturer places the boot open button on the rear wiper so it is clean and neat. On the Jeep, however, there is a huge camera placed right in the center in front of the grille. Take a minute and let me know if you all like this feature in the comment section. Number 3. It has a huge metal trim across the complete dashboard. As told previously, the dashboard is pretty minimalistic, and rather than going with soft touch interiors, Jeep has added a long metal trim across the dashboard. Looks neat and elegant, unless a passenger decides to bang his head on it rather than using the airbag. Just kidding, but it is a nice touch to the interior though. Number 2. Just like your home screen, you can build custom layouts. The new display allows you to customize your own personal layouts just like your mobile phone, letting you personalize the screen and all the apps you find useful. This would come in handy to put all your useful features in one screen so you don't have to keep swiping while you drive. Number 1. Made in India and 5-star rating. The car is completely made in India and is also exported to other right-hand drive markets. Also adding on to the safety features, it now has a 5-star crash test rating. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing.